first time ever that I let someone else do my faux locks, because you know I've always done my own. No pressure, but this is the first. Thank you. This is the first time I ever did that, so I'm very excited.
Yes.
And I'm gonna leave all her information in the description box below.
Yes.
So let's get started.
Let's get started. All right, you guys. So this is the before.
Yes.
We better see what we better do.
Yes. Stay tuned for the after.
So first, I just want to say Danni was absolutely a whole vibe. Not only did she work really fast, but she was definitely one of those people where you go to get your hair done and she makes sure that she pays you and only you attention. So she's not one of those people that are going to be on her phone, taking phone calls, all of that stuff. She was very attentive to the fact that I was there to get my hair done. And I love that, because for someone who like myself does my own hair, it felt good to sit in someone else's chair and like literally I am like the only person that they're catering to, because some hairstylists, y'all know, be doing the most, okay? But I love her. She literally is a magician with her hands. Like, I literally have not let anybody do my locks before, because to be honest, I don't really, you know, vibe with a lot of the hairstylist locks, you know, like there's some gems out there like Danni, but there's a lot of people saying they do locks and they really shouldn't be doing faux locks, but that's a whole nother story. But anyways, I just wanted to kind of show you guys her in motion. Her work ethic was phenomenal, and honestly, y'all, these locks are like low-key my favorite now, because they're super lightweight. And you guys know I usually put my own faux locks in, but when I say these like are so dang light compared to the ones that I put in, it's so much easier, especially now that I have a daughter. Like, just being able to throw these locks up or like put them in a bun really quick makes life so easy. And honestly, I just love the vibe and the look of it. I really did want to go jet black, and she made that happen. So she did a human hair blend for me. So I have a mixture of synthetic and human hair. And for these locks specifically, she said I could keep them in for for about a year, I believe she said. And also you can go back to her to get, you know, your retwist or whatever if you want to keep your hair fresh without taking the whole style out. So I do love that, and I will be coming back to see you, girlfriend, because I will be keeping these locks in for a while. So, you know, as you can see, she's slaying my baby hair. You guys know baby hair is very important to moi. So I appreciated that as well. But I was really just satisfied. So I just wanted to show you guys her work. Everything, if you guys are on the East Coast, I definitely suggest booking Danni. She was absolutely amazing, like 20 stars out of 5. So definitely check the description box for all her booking info and check out the finished product.
My hair stuff.
Yes.
I'm gonna show you guys the back.
Ooh. Yes. Yes. Length is perfect.
The length is perfect. I love it.
Yeah. Ooh, I like that.
Felt myself a little bit.
So cute.
No, but like for real, do you see the texture on these locks? They look so real. They're so lightweight. I'm obsessed. Danni, you did that. Like, if you want your hair to look like this, you need to book Danni. Guys, I got my hair done by this beautiful lady. Thank you, Danni.
You're welcome.
So, of course, if you are in the Philly area or the East Coast area, okay, drive down to Philly to see Danni. I will leave all her information in the description box below. What's your Instagram, girl?
Danni_styles with 2 S.
Right here.
Come to me. I will hook you up. Okay?
That part. It will be
Period.
right here.
Yes.
And all her information will be in the description box below. And she's a whole vibe and a sweetheart. So
Thank you.
you're welcome.
I hope you love them. They
Yes.
look bomb.
Yes, I'm about to never take them out.
Listen, you're about to have some head turn. This is cute.